I came to BioReset because I had some pretty severe dental trauma.
For 18 years, I've seen over 30 medical professionals.
The traditional doctor was going to, suggested cortisone shot, and you're eventually going to replace your shoulder.
So I kept having a doctor come in and keep cleaning it up, and so my cartilage is just kind of screwed up from like 4 knee surgeries over the past 5 years.
Super common for us to see people with hip pain, knee pain, shoulder pain. Like when people come in, a lot of times they'll say, oh, I already saw 10 doctors and they said I was going to have a total shoulder replacement. And then at a biochemical level, and so we can use biological applications, IV, to begin to reset inflammation in the body.
A big part of what we do is let people know that they're going to be okay. It's not a question of we're fixing the patient, it's a question of, as a team, the patient is healing themselves. And that speaks a bit to the concierge nature of the practice, which is that when you come here, your treatment plan is tailored to what your condition is.
First thing he did was sort of rearrange the schedule so that I could get in, and he did a hydrodissection, which is basically he uses an ultrasound to guide a needle along the incredibly angry nerve, and essentially add saline solution and some placental matrix, and as well as some nerve blocking agents that helped calm the nerve down. And now, I mean, within just a couple of months, that the pain is totally gone.
So then I treated all the nerves. I treated the joint. I put 3 placental matrices in there, and then 1 on the nerve, and then 1 for the 2 muscles.
He said, try it now. And I'm like, you gotta be effing kidding me. That feels really good.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, there's nothing in here in the front anymore. I might be left-handed now.
Oh, it's possible. I can be normal again someday.
You're gonna be fine. You're gonna get all the way better.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's incredible. You're right, it's amazing. You do amazing things.